Milo, that's your last water.
I know.
You'll be thirsty.
The seed is thirsty too. Grow strong, little seed.
These kinds of videos are actually very popular among kids, and many YouTube channels are making a fortune creating videos like this. In this video, I'll share the easiest method of creating this kind of animated storytelling video. So, let's dive in. So, now you can create any kind of video using AI, even a rich animation video like this. But creating a continuous 2-minute video with consistent character and style is still very challenging. Now, what if I tell you that you can create your own animated series with just an idea? Yes, you can, and that's where Mdeia.io comes in. Its new feature, AI Story, can create any kind of storytelling video from only an idea. Okay, enough talk. Now, let's actually create the video. First of all, create an account on Mdeia.io. I will put the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. At the top, you will find all the featured tools to create content. And at the bottom, you will find featured content like short film, animated story, product videos, images, music videos, and more. All of them were created with Mdeia.io, and you can take inspiration from here. However, as today, I want to create a kid's story video, I am selecting the AI Story tool from the top of the page. And here is the AI Story Maker interface. This is the prompt box where we have to enter the idea. You will also find several example videos at the bottom. If you want to create a similar video, just select the video and hit try it. And you will notice a prompt is added to the prompt box. However, I will create a new story. So, I am replacing with my video idea. I want to make a kid's story video about a fox, a bird, and a plant. Enter as much as context you can. The more the better. Now, if you think your idea is not good enough, then you can optimize the prompt with AI by clicking here. And it's done. Now you can see that the prompt is more detailed. It will create better result. Okay, now we have to set the settings. First, set the duration. You can create up to 2 minutes video. I am selecting 90 seconds. Next, set the aspect ratio and then the resolution. It supports up to 4K resolution. For a balanced approach, I will go with 720p. After that, set the audio and the visual style. I will go with anime. In the end, we have to set the video generation model. It supports the powerful Seedance 2.0. Seedance 2.0 Mini. I will go with Seedance 2.0. Okay, we are set. Now, click on the Generate Script button from here. Now the AI Story Agent will analyze the idea and settings and then create the outline for the script. And here is the outline. You can see the title, the theme, background, and the plot. Preview all of them. If everything is okay, move forward. However, if you find any issue, you can customize it. Just click on the Edit button and now you can edit or customize everything. Once you are done, click on Confirm and then Generate button from here. In the next step, it will create the character and the location. And here it is. All the cast and scenes are ready. And oh, look at Milo. Little orange fox, blue scarf, big curious eyes, that is exactly what I described. And there's Pip, tiny green bird, yellow chest. Perfect. Kids love this kind of character. However, if you find any issue or customize the character, you can do it. Here, you will find 2 options. Select from Assets and Edit Character. In the Assets section, you will find all your previously built characters along with the Mdeia.io pre-built characters. You can find the best one and use in your video. And if you want to edit or recreate the character, click on the Edit Character button. Now, you can add the character description, add a reference image, and then create the character image. However, I think both characters look very good, so I won't change them. Now, if you want to use these characters in your future videos, you can save them by clicking here. Okay, we are done. Now we have to click on the Generate button from here. Now, the AI will create the video storyboard. And here it is. The storyboard is ready. Let's walk through it. Scene 1. The dry forest and the empty pond. Nice, sets the mood. Scene 2. Milo finds the glowing seed. Scene 3. Milo and Pip planting it together. Then, nothing grows. This is basically your quality control checkpoint. I'm checking 3 things here. Does Milo look the same in every frame? Is the story in the right order? And is anything important missing? If you find anything, you can fix it. You just have to click on the Regenerate button and then AI will regenerate the image. Once all the storyboard images are ready, hit the Generate button to create the final video. Now, the AI story tool will use the Seedance 2.0 to create the video clips. Okay, it's done. Let's watch it.
It's so quiet, Milo.
I know. Even the forest sounds thirsty.
Do you think it can be happy again?
Let's keep looking.
Pip, come see. Ooh, it looks like a little piece of the moon. A moonlight seed. Maybe it knows how to help the forest.
This pond needs hope.
And water.
We can start with hope.
I'll sing it a growing song. It isn't growing.
Not yet.
What if it never does?
Wonderful things sometimes need time.
Milo, that's your last water.
I know.
You'll be thirsty.
The seed is thirsty too. Grow strong, little seed.
I mean, come on, that's genuinely charming. The voices fit the characters, the music swells right when the tree grows, and Milo kept his scarf through the whole thing. The workflow really sold me. I never asked an AI to guess my entire story in one shot. I reviewed the outline, checked the characters, inspected every storyboard frame, and fixed the one that was wrong. That level of control is what most AI video tools are missing. If you run a kids storytelling channel, you're a teacher, a parent, or building a faceless YouTube channel, this is honestly one of the easiest ways I've found to go from idea to finished animated story. If you want to try this yourself, the link to Mdeia AI story is in the description. Go make your own story. If this video helped you out, a like really helps the channel, and subscribe if you want more AI creative tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.